The flange, as depicted in this example, is a ring-shaped device used as an alternative to welding or threading various piping components together. Flanged connections which require bolting are the preferred alternative to welding. They can be easily assembled, disassembled, then reassembled when needed for shipping, inspection, maintenance or replacement. Flanged connections are favored over threaded connections because threading large-bore pipe is not an economical or reliable operation, as leakage on large-bore threaded pipe is difficult to prevent. For these reasons, the flange is an important component of any piping system. Flanges are primarily used where a connecting or dismantling joint is needed. These joints may include attaching pipe to fittings, valves, mechanical equipment such as centrifugal pumps, or any other integral component within a piping configuration. In a typical pipe facility, every piece of mechanical equipment is manufactured with at least one inlet and one outlet connection point. The point where the piping configuration is connected to the equipment is called a nozzle. From the nozzle to the flange connection point, the piping routing is begun. The following figure depicts multiple examples of how piping configurations are connected to a horizontal vessel via nozzles. In the next couple of videos, we will discuss in exquisite detail the following topics: flange rating, flange facing, in particular, flat face, raised face, and ring-type joint. Then, we will shift our attention to the various flange types, such as weld neck, threaded, and socket weld, just to name a few. In addition, flange accessories, such as bolts and gaskets, will also be discussed. At the end of this section, you will find a technical quiz to test your knowledge. Lastly, you will find in the downloadable resources section a valuable flange technical booklet. This booklet summarizes all the technical details you need to know about flanges, as well as the codes and standards that apply to them according to the French and American specifications. We hope that you will enjoy this online course and learn valuable information with us.